Good morning all my dears. My name is Prathamesh Lokhande and today we will discuss about the disassembly and assembly of the ceiling fan. So without wasting so much time, let's start. So this is our fan. This is the fan blades and these are the some screws which are used for fix these blades. So these are some tools, that is a screwdriver, plier, that we are used for disassembling and assembling of the fan. So first of all, this is the condenser which is connected to the fan winding with the help of these wires. So let's start to disassembling the fan. So first of all, we need to remove this condenser. So first of all, disengage these wire connections. So these are the two connections where this condenser is connected. So we disengage this one connection, also we need to disengage this connection. So let's see, this is the condenser which we separate from the fan. So now we need to disassemble this body of the fan by removing these screw or nuts from this fan. So let's do it. First of all, we remove these screws. These are the long screws which are used for assembling of the body. So we will also need to remove these side screws. So this is the last screw. Now we open this body. So guys, this is the fan cover which is used to cover the whole body or assembly or winding of the fan. So again we need to disassemble this part also. So for disassembling this part we need to remove this. So without wasting time, so this will also be removed. So we remove this wire from this hole. So now we will remove this. So we will remove this now. So this is the upper body for this winding. So this is our electromagnet, and this is the winding of the fan. So these are the wires for these windings, and here if we see that here the bearing is fixed for relative motion between these and these. So this total assembly is fixed with the with this body with the help of this type of screw, which are hole from this hole to this. So this is the stationary part, means this is the stationary part, and along with this the body is moving or rotate, and if the body is rotate, then these are blades also rotate, and we feel cool. So this is the electromagnet, this is upper body, this is lower cover of the fan, this is the main part or heart of the fan winding, these are blades, and these are the condenser. So these are the components of the fans. So let us, without wasting so much time, so we again assemble this fan. But before assembling, I want to tell you that this is the upper bearing, which is 6201, and this is the lower bearing, which is 6202 number. So let assemble this fan again. So first of all, we need to keep this my electromagnet on this upper body. Then first of all we need to remove this wire from this bearing. So this is fixed now. So first of all we pack this assembly with this upper body. So for this we need to fix this assembly by these long screws. So like that, this whole body is act as a stationary. So guys, this is fixed now with the upper body. Then now we will close this cover. Ensure that the screw is tightly packed. Now first of all we need to remove this wire from this big hole. So we removing one by one wire from this. For removing this wire from this hole, so for this we need to insert one wire from this hole. We attach one wire to this, any one wire which is we want to remove. Then now we will remove this like that. So like that we remove all wire from this. So guys, one wire is remaining. So for this we also need to remove this wire by same way. By inserting this wire. Again we attach this wire to this wire for removing this wire. So guys, all these wires we remove. Then we fix this to this axle. So guys, we fix this. Now we need to make the connection of this. We connect these wires. So please guys, ensure the connections are tightly fixed because causes very high short circuit. Now we connect this condenser to this fan. So guys, connect one wire from the winding to this condenser. So guys, the connections of condenser are successfully done. This joint is remains same. We cover this joint by insulation tape, and for providing power to this winding from these 2 points, one point is here and one point is here. So if we connect this fan to the power, then this fan will rotate. So we done the connections of the fan. Now let us we check the fan is running or not. So for checking the fan, we do temporary connections for checking. So guys, we connect these temporary wires for checking this fan. So these wires are connected to the power supply. So let us now let's start the power supply and check this fan. So see guys, the fan is rotating and the direction of rotation of the fan is correct. So we conclude that we do the correct assembly and disassembly of the fan. So now let us switch off the fan. So guys, we conclude that the fan is okay. So we now assemble the blades of the fan. So let us remove this temporary joint. So let us assemble these blades or connect this blade to the fan by means of this screw. So this is the second blade of the fan. So finally we complete the assembly of the fan. So look this. So whole assembly is completely or perfectly assembled. So we stop here. So guys, today we stop here. Next time we see the another assembly. So thank you for your time.